today.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Peter. Today's lesson is all about clothes. Without further ado, let's get started. Repeat after me. Nice, unclear. Sweater, shoes, dress, t-shirt, skirt, shorts, pants, socks, boots, scarf, swimsuit, coat, mittens, sandals. Excellent. Practice these words every day to make them part of your vocabulary. Now, let's practice together. Look at the picture and choose the best option. What is it? That's perfect. What are they? That's perfect. What are they? That's brilliant. What is it? Well done. What is it? Well done. What is it? That's correct. What is it? That's great. What are they? That's correct. What are they? Perfect. What is it? That's great. What are they? That's correct. What is it? That's perfect. What is it? That's correct. What are they? That's correct. What are they? That's perfect. Well done, everyone. Brilliant effort. Congratulations, guys. You've done a fantastic job today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you next time. Cheers, guys.